Hello and welcome back to MoneyMasterMind. Today we are exploring Bitcoin versus Ethereum versus Litecoin and which investment is best for you. Now let's get started. But first, if you enjoy this content or anything related to investing, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get straight into it. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies using cryptography for security, have revolutionized the financial landscape, representing the digital era's innovation. These decentralized currencies, free from governmental control, offer transparency, security, and accessibility, fundamentally reshaping traditional financial systems. The cryptocurrency market has witnessed explosive growth, fascinating investors worldwide with its potential for enormous returns and technological advancements. With thousands of cryptocurrencies competing for attention, investors seek clarity among the multitude of options. In this comparison, we explore three of the most prominent cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Bitcoin, the trailblazer in this digital realm, introduced by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, is revered as digital gold, boasting a finite supply and powerful security. Ethereum, conceived by Vitalik Buterin, transcends mere currency, presenting a decentralized platform for executing smart contracts and powering a healthy network of decentralized applications. Litecoin, often dubbed the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offers faster transaction speeds and lower fees, setting itself as a quality exchange. As we navigate these cryptocurrencies, we uncover their distinctive features, use cases, and market dynamics, providing insights to aid you in navigating this complex world. From store of value to decentralized finance and payment processing, each cryptocurrency offers unique value propositions, presenting you with diverse opportunities and considerations. Join us as we begin a journey through the realm of cryptocurrencies, exploring Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin to understand the smart money bet among this digital revolution. Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency, traces its origins back to a white paper published in 2008 by an enigmatic figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Despite investigation, Nakamoto's true identity remains a mystery, adding to the appeal surrounding Bitcoin's beginning. Central to Bitcoin's appeal is its revolutionary concept of decentralized digital currency, challenging the conventional notions of money and financial intermediaries. With a predetermined cap of 21 million coins, Bitcoin offers scarcity similar to precious metals, underpinning its value proposition. Often likened to digital gold, Bitcoin serves as a store of value in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Its demanding nature, coupled with its decentralized network, safeguards against inflationary pressures and government intervention, appealing to investors seeking refuge from traditional currencies. However, Bitcoin's journey has not been without challenges. As its popularity surged, scalability issues emerged, manifesting in slow transaction speeds and high fees during peak usage periods. Despite ongoing efforts to address these limitations, Bitcoin's scalability remains a subject of debate within the cryptocurrency community. Nevertheless, Bitcoin maintains its dominance in the market, showcasing the highest market capitalization among cryptocurrencies. Its widespread adoption, institutional interest, and resilient network have solidified its position as the leading cryptocurrency, shaping the trajectory of the broader crypto landscape. In summary, Bitcoin's genesis, scarcity, store of value properties, and market dominance highlight its significance in the world of cryptocurrencies. As we dive deeper into Bitcoin, we uncover the fabric of this groundbreaking innovation, offering insights into its past, present, and potential future. Ethereum, a decentralized platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, stands as a beacon of innovation in the cryptocurrency landscape. Conceived by Vitalik Buterin and introduced in 2015, Ethereum extends the capabilities of blockchain technology beyond simple transactions, enabling the creation of programmable contracts that execute automatically when predefined conditions are met. One of Ethereum's defining features is its versatility, allowing developers to create custom tokens and deploy complex smart contracts, facilitating a wide array of decentralized applications across various industries. This flexibility has catalyzed the emergence of a vibrant ecosystem of dApps spanning finance, gaming, supply chain management, and more. Ethereum's most notable impact lies in its pivotal role in the explosive growth of decentralized finance. By providing the infrastructure for trustless financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading, Ethereum has democratized access to financial tools, bypassing traditional intermediaries and empowering individuals worldwide. Looking ahead, Ethereum is ready for a significant transformation with its transition from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, known as Ethereum 2.0. This upgrade aims to improve scalability and energy efficiency by replacing energy-intensive mining with a more sustainable validation process. With Ethereum 2.0, the network is expected to achieve greater transaction output, reduced latency, and lower environmental impact, unlocking new possibilities for innovation and adoption. In conclusion, Ethereum's innovative approach to decentralized computing, directed by Vitalik Buterin, has revolutionized the cryptocurrency landscape. From smart contracts to DeFi and beyond, Ethereum continues to push the boundaries of what is possible with blockchain technology, laying the foundation for a more decentralized and inclusive digital economy. When comparing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, it's essential to assess their key features, use cases, technological disparities, and market performance to make informed investment decisions. Bitcoin, as the first cryptocurrency, emphasizes security and scarcity, positioning itself as digital gold and a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, boasts programmability through smart contracts, enabling a wide range of decentralized applications beyond simple transactions. Litecoin, often regarded as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, prioritizes faster transaction speeds and lower fees, making it suitable for everyday transactions. In terms of market performance, Bitcoin has experienced significant volatility but has consistently maintained its status as the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Ethereum has shown impressive growth, fueled by its role in powering the DeFi network and ongoing upgrades like Ethereum 2.0. Litecoin, while having a smaller market capitalization compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, has demonstrated resilience and stability over time. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries both risks and opportunities. While the potential for substantial returns exists, you must consider factors such as market volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and technological development. Regulatory concerns, particularly regarding government crackdowns or restrictive policies, can impact the viability of cryptocurrencies in certain jurisdictions. Also, advancements in blockchain technology and community support can influence the long-term prospects of each cryptocurrency. In summary, a comparative analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin reveals their distinct characteristics, market performance, and associated risks and opportunities. You should conduct thorough research, consider your investment objectives and risk tolerance, and stay informed of regulatory and technological developments to make informed investment decisions in the cryptocurrency market. When deciding between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, you should carefully evaluate several factors to make informed decisions aligned with their investment objectives and risk tolerance. Firstly, consider the unique features and use cases of each cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's status as digital gold and Ethereum's programmability for decentralized applications offer distinct value propositions, while Litecoin's focus on faster transactions caters to different needs. Understanding these differences can help you align your investments with their goals. Diversification and risk management are essential principles in cryptocurrency investing. By spreading investments across different assets, you mitigate risks associated with the volatility of individual cryptocurrencies. Also, setting clear investment goals and establishing risk management strategies, such as stop-loss orders, can help protect capital in volatile market. Recommendations should be tailored to individual risk tolerance, investment goals, and market outlook. Conservative investors may prioritize Bitcoin's stability and long-term potential, while those seeking higher returns may explore Ethereum's innovative applications or Litecoin's growth potential. Assessing market conditions and staying informed about industry developments can inform investment decisions. Thorough research and due diligence are essential before making any investment decisions. This includes understanding the technology behind each cryptocurrency, evaluating market trends and dynamics, and assessing regulatory considerations. By staying informed and conducting comprehensive research, you make educated decisions and navigate the cryptocurrency market effectively. In conclusion, choosing between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin requires careful consideration of factors such as unique features, diversification, risk management, and individual preferences. By aligning investments with investment goals and conducting thorough research, you position yourself for success in the dynamic cryptocurrency market. In summary, this video has explored the key qualities of three prominent cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Bitcoin, with its scarcity and store of value properties; Ethereum, offering programmability through smart contracts and powering decentralized applications; and Litecoin, prioritizing faster transactions. Each present unique opportunities and considerations for investors. Cryptocurrencies have transformed the financial landscape, offering decentralized and secure alternatives to traditional financial systems. From facilitating peer-to-peer transactions to revolutionizing decentralized finance and beyond, cryptocurrencies continue to reshape how we perceive and interact with money. As the cryptocurrency market evolves, it's crucial for you to remain informed and engaged. By staying up to date of industry developments, regulatory changes, and technological advancements, you can make informed decisions and navigate the cryptocurrency landscape effectively. As we witness the continued evolution of the digital economy, embracing cryptocurrencies as a part of one's investment strategy can unlock new opportunities and shape the future of finance. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cryptocurrencies. Remember to stay informed, conduct thorough research, and seize the opportunities presented by this transformative technology. Thanks for watching Money Mastermind. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out other content for more crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.